Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize cookies in CookieRun OvenSmash. And by the way, just a quick heads up, the game isn't available here yet and to some regions until the 23rd of April. So this will help you get ready before it drops. Now, let's get started. So customization in CookieRun OvenSmash is actually a big part of the game. It's not just about gameplay. You can fully change how your cookie looks using custom costumes, skins, and different visual items. When you go into your cookie menu, you'll be able to select your character and access their appearance or costume options. Then from there, you can equip different outfits, styles, or themed costumes to give your cookie a completely new look. Now, here's the important part. These customizations are mostly cosmetic. That means they don't really change your stats or make you stronger, but they do let you stand out and show off your style in matches. You can unlock these customization options through different ways. Some come from draws or summon systems, while others are available through events or rewards. There are even different rarities like common, rare, and epic costumes. So the more you play, the better your collection gets. Another thing to keep in mind is that you can mix and match your look over time. As you unlock more items, you'll have more freedom to create a unique style that fits your personality. So don't just focus on gameplay, take time to customize your cookie because it's one of the best ways to make your character feel truly yours. So yeah, that's how you customize cookies. You want to go to your cookie menu, equip costumes, unlock more through gameplay, and build your own unique style. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!